In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Disk Write Error. This error usually pops up when Steam can't save or update game files on your drive, and it often comes down to a problem with the folder where your games are installed. The quickest and safest way to fix it is to repair your Steam library folder from inside Steam itself. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. Start by opening Steam and going to Settings. You can get there from the top left Steam menu. In the Settings window, look for Storage. Depending on your version of Steam, you might see this under Downloads, where the Steam Library Folders button lives. Both paths lead to the same place, the list of folders where your games are stored. Open Steam Library Folders. You'll now see each drive and folder Steam uses to install games. Find the library where you're having the disk write error. If you're not sure which one that is, it's usually the default library highlighted in the list or the one that shows the most installed content. Next, click the three dots to the right of that library folder. A small menu will appear. Choose Repair Folder. Steam will prompt you to confirm, then it will begin checking the folder. During this process, Steam verifies that it has permission to write to that location, that the directory structure is correct, and that the library is properly registered. This does not delete your games. It simply fixes access and configuration issues that can cause write errors. Let the repair run to completion. The time it takes can vary based on the size of the library and the speed of your drive. You may see a progress indicator or brief status messages. Avoid closing Steam or interrupting the scan while it's working, and keep the window in focus so you can see when it finishes. If you have multiple Steam library folders across different drives, repeat the same action for each one by clicking the three dots and selecting Repair Folder again. This ensures every location is healthy and writable. Once the repair completes, return to your game or download and continue where you left off. With the folder repaired, Steam should be able to write files normally and proceed without the disk write error. That's all there is to it. Quick, built-in, and safe for your installed games.